Hi friends, here I am going to explain the effect of partial shading in solar PV system. So first we will see what is solar PV system. The solar energy is a renewable form of energy source. It is abundantly present in the world and free of cost. So solar energy converts into electrical energy. So this happens in the solar PV. So the solar photovoltaic cells generate electricity from the sunlight. So the basic principle behind this is photovoltaic effect. The photovoltaic effect is when the sunlight falls on this photovoltaic device, it produces the DC current. See here in the diagram you can see a single cell and the group of cells connected in series and parallel to form a module. So a group of modules connected to form a PV array. So here we are focusing the partial shading of the PV array system. So this partial shading reduces the power output and efficiency also is getting reduced. So we will see about partial shading. So partial shading is the modules in the array are subjected to different level of insolations. That means due to the cloudy conditions the insolation levels getting changed. So morning the insolation level will vary. So in afternoon the insolation will be very high. So this is the partial shading is shadowed completely or partially. So due to buildings, towers, trees, dirts, passage of clouds. So the shaded module current will be less than the unshaded module. The mismatch in the PV characteristics also occur in this system. So here we are using the reconfiguration techniques to enhance the power generation. So we will see what is reconfiguration technique, that is changing the interconnection of modules dynamically to reduce the effect of shading on the solar modules. This increases the power output. So these are two reconfiguration techniques, that is electrical array technique and pseudocode technique. So in electrical array technique, the electrical connections of the modules are changed. So the modules are relocated and the average insulation remains the same. So the relocation of modules is done through switching matrix. So the drawbacks of this system is large number of switches are used and the control algorithm is more complex, and this is high cost too. So we'll see the next technique, that is pseudocode technique. So logic based number placement puzzle changes the physical location of the modules based on these shading conditions. Here the electrical connections remains the same. So the maximum power output and high efficiency is obtained. So this reduces the effect of shading on the PV array. So these are some of the configuration techniques we have seen. Thank you.